First of all, I want to wish you that happy Science Day to everyone. Yeah. Why do we celebrate the Science Day? Do anyone knows? I think everyone knows. As you are celebrating from the so many years. Why do we celebrate Science Day?
Birthday itself, Shiva. Birthday.
Why do we celebrate Science Day? Yeah, C.V. Raman's birthday. Why do we celebrate only on a C.V. Raman's birthday? What is the reason behind this? Is that great? He is a great physicist. Okay? On this day, he got a Nobel Prize also for the Raman effect. Okay? Yeah. What is mean by science actually? Why do we study the science subject? Only the experiments? The science is totally related to our practical knowledge. Yes or no? Science is also called as Shastram. Telugulo, we'll call it as Shastram. The science has the three branches. One is physics, chemistry and bio. The physics is called Bhautika Shastram. The chemistry is called Rasayana Shastram. And bio is called Jivana Shastram. In the three of the families, the three sub-branches, the common thing is Shastram. Yes or no? Are you comfortable with English or else you are in the requirement of Telugu explanation? How many of you are requesting for the Telugu explanation? Nobody? Yes, very good. Yeah. The Shastram word represents the meaning of the live activities. Yes or no? The Shastra means Jyotisham. Yes or no? Whatever is happening in our society, eating, standing, walking, the thing which is there in the nature or chemically or physically, whatever it may be, the total thing is related to the physics. That means the science. Yes or no? Let us have some example. I want to discuss with you one example. The most of the religions like Hindus, Christians or Muslims, whoever may be, in the temples they'll light the deeps. Yes or no? Deepa muttistaru. What is the reason behind that? According to the Shastram and to the subject. Do anyone knows? Yes or no? All the religions like Muslims, Hindus or whoever may be, the most of the religious will start their puja with the lighting the lamp. Yes or no? What is the reason behind that? According to the Shastram, in our universe, the major shoulder is the sun. Yes or no? Which use the light. That is the reason we'll start with the light lamping in the starting. Yes or no? According to the Shastram. When it comes to the subject, what happens? When we light a lamp, what happens there? The growth of the bacteria will be killed because of the temperature. Yes or no? Yes or no? In the temples or wherever it may be, we'll use the different types of flags, different type of things there will be using in the temples. We cannot clean daily, no? So that is the reason the multiple microorganisms getting growth there. So to kill that, we will use the light lamping to increase the temperature. Where the temperature increase, there will be starts the killing of the bacteria. Yes or no? Yes or no? In the big temples, we will see the ACs. What is the reason to provide the ACs in the big temples, like which has more than 10 feet or the 12 feet? They will be using the ACs in the Garbhagudi. What is the reason there? The reason behind that is when the temperature increases, the bacteria starts kill. We can reduce the growth of the bacteria. When temperature becomes lower, it stops the growth of the bacteria. That is the reason they use the ACs in the Garbhagudis. Understood? Understood? Everybody clear with the thing? Yes. We cannot use the maximum lamps in the temple, no? If the maximum lamps are increased in the temple, what happens? The Pantulu who is there in the Garbhagudi cannot survive there. As the temperature increases, total room temperature increases, no? Yes or no? The Pantulu cannot survive there. That is the reason they use the ACs to stop the growth of the bacteria. Understood? Not only in this lighting the lamp, for each and everything there is a relation between the Jyotisham and also the subject. Don't feel that it is something else. This only we have to do, that only we have to do. There are no rules and regulations. For each and everything there is a reason. We have to analyze that reason. There are many scientists which we call them scientists because their artwork and analyzing power were increased by their hard work. That is the reason we call them as a scientist. Here also you people are having the opportunity to analyze, to keep the work, hard work, not only work, hard work. To install that hard work in the brain, you do have an opportunity. Everybody should utilize that the thing that you are getting the opportunity to analyze in your brain, and you have to create the reasons behind this. And also I request among the 500 students, any at least 100 to 150 members should become the scientist, to make every student in the future to read your name as a scientist. Okay, just clap. Yeah, this is a very big moment. Nobody is interested to become a scientist. How many of you are interested to become a scientist? Yes, there are many scientists, many scientists. Yes or no? You are the future. You have to analyze whatever you think. While you are eating also, while you are eating with the hands, you have to analyze why we are eating rice, how we are eating, why only this direction we are eating, why not in this direction. These are all the things we have to analyze in our brain, so that you'll get answers for this, all those questions. If you doesn't get the answers to all those questions, you have to consult the subject teacher or the elders or anyone else who has the knowledge. Okay, don't waste your valuable time. Time is very precious, as you know, I know, and everyone knows. We should not waste the time. Okay, focus on the time, total time with the education only. Okay, enjoy with the education, read with the, talk with the education, play with the education, and be with the education. Education will develop your skills and everything. Okay, thank you.